Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Today we discuss the curve tracing of a polar curve. Polar curve. Okay. So polar curve is of the form r theta. If function of r and theta, where r is the distance from the pole, and theta is the angle between the pole and the initial line. So a polar curve, first we have to check the symmetry. Symmetry. F theta equal to 0. First we have to check the symmetry. If we change theta by minus theta, if we change theta by minus theta and the equation remain unchanged, then the system will be symmetric. Then the equation or system will be symmetric about the initial line, about the initial line. Initial line means theta equal to 0 degree. So if you change theta by minus theta and the same equation remain unchanged, then it will be symmetric about the initial line theta equal to 0. Second one, 1, 2. If you change theta by pi minus theta and the equation remain unchanged, then the system will be, or the equation will be symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2. অর্থাৎ symmetric about the perpendicular line. Third is, if theta is changed by minus theta and r is changed by minus r and the equation remain unchanged, then it will be symmetric about theta equal to again pi by 2. And the fourth one, if r is changed by minus r and the equation remain unchanged, the system will be symmetric about 4. So first we have to check the symmetry, then point 2 is we have to check the curve lies on pole or not. The curve lies on pole or not. What is? We have to get a theta. For that value of theta, r will be equal to 0. So there must exist a theta, there must exist at least one theta so that r equal to 0. So to find that theta, just first we put r equal to 0. R equal to 0. Suppose r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. If this curve goes through the pole or not, first put r equal to 0, then find the value of theta. If you get the value of theta, then we must say that the pole, the curve lies on pole or goes through pole. So for that case, 1 plus cos theta equal to 0 and cos theta equal to -1 and theta equal to pi. So we get at least 1 pi for this pi r equal to 0. So we can say that the curve goes through or lies on the pole. Find theta. Third is tangent. Tangent. For the tangent, tan phi is the angle of the tangent. So tan phi will be, value of the tan phi will be r by dr d theta. So we have to find the value of phi. Fourth one is table. Corresponding value of theta, we have to find the value of r and phi. We must construct a table to trace the polar curve. And fifth is region. If needed, then we find the region. Example. Trace the curve of r equal to a cos theta. Trace the polar curve. First we have to check the symmetry. First put theta equal to minus theta. Then r will be equal to a cos minus theta, that means a cos theta. So this will be equal to r. So there is no change. So this will be symmetrical about the initial line theta equal to 0. If we put pi minus theta in the place of theta, then r will be a cos pi minus theta. That will be minus a cos theta, that is minus r. So there is a change in equation. So not symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2. That case theta by minus theta and r by minus r. In that case, r by minus r, that is minus r equal to a cos minus theta. That means r will be equal to minus r equal to a cos theta. So r will be equal to minus a cos theta. So change in equation. So not symmetric about theta equal to pi by 2. And fourth case, r2 minus r. R2 minus R, that is minus R equal to a cos theta. So change in equation, R equal to minus a cos theta. That is change in equation. That means it is not symmetric about pole. Symmetric about pole. So equation is symmetric about the initial line theta equal to 0. So what is the initial line? So here theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi. So initial line, that means this x-axis in that case. So if the curve is like that, so since it is symmetric, the lower portion will be same like that. Second is the curve lies on pole or not. Curve lies on pole or not. R equal to a cos theta. We have to find the value of theta. So put 0, a cos theta. That means theta equal to cos theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2. So corresponding theta equal to pi by 2, R equal to, for theta equal to pi by 2, R equal to 0. That means curve pass through pole. Third is tangent. So tan phi equal to R dr by d theta, R equal to a cos theta, and dr by d theta equal to a minus sin theta. So here a cancel, it will minus cot theta. Now I construct a table. Theta, R, and phi. For theta equal to 0 degree, theta equal to pi by 2, and theta equal to pi. So theta equal to 0, R will be what? R equal to a cos theta. So R will be equal to
A.
And phi.
Minus infinity.
Minus tan phi equal to minus cot pi by 2, that is minus infinity. For that case, phi equal to tan inverse
Cot 0.
cot that is 0. So tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 means
0, sir. 0.
Sir, it would be minus cot 0, and cot 0 is minus infinity. Means
Yes,
minus
sir.
cot 0 is equal to minus infinity.
right. Tan phi equal to minus cot 0. That will be minus infinity. In that case, phi equal to
Minus pi by 2.
right. Minus pi by 2. For pi by 2, r will be equal to 0 and phi will be equal to also 0. And for pi, this is minus a and this will be just pi by 2. This is the angle of tangent phi. Now we trace the curve. Theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi. Now when r equal to 0, theta equal to 0, r will be equal to a here. R equal to a. And when r equal to theta equal to pi by 2, pi by 2 here, so r will be equal to 0. And at the point r equal to a, tangent, angle of the tangent is pi by 2, so this is pi by 2, and r equal to 0, tangent equal to what? R theta equal to 0, r equal to minus pi by 2. It's pi by 2 to 0. I, this is minus a. Also value in there means. So look, this is the tangent at r equal to a. That means the curve will be like that. And r equal to 0, tangent is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now here there is a confusion there. Now theta equal to pi by 2, tangent, angle of tangent is equal to 0. Now this is theta equal to pi by 2. Now tangent makes an angle 0. That means the tangent makes an angle 0 with theta equal to pi by 2. So in that case, the tangent will be like pi by 2. This is the tangent. This is the tangent that makes an angle at r equal to at theta equal to pi by 2. Tangent makes angle 0 degree with the line theta equal to pi by 2. So this is the tangent for r equal to 0. So there must be a curve like that. So if we join this, the curve will be like that. So this is our curve. Okay. For theta equal to 0, the tangent is minus pi by 2. So this is minus pi by 2 angle. For theta equal to pi by 2, tangent angle is 0. That means the tangent makes an angle 0 with theta equal to pi by 2. So in that case, this is the tangent. And for theta equal to pi, also the tangent angle is pi by 2. So theta equal to pi, r is minus a. That is, r is minus a. From here r is equal to minus a. From here this r equal to minus a, and tangent angle is this r equal phi equal to pi by 2. Example 2.
Sir,
Ah,
at theta equal to pi by 2, tan phi equal to 0 ना sir?
हाँ बोलो.
At theta equal to pi by 2, tan phi equal to 0 ना sir?
And then in that case phi equal to 0.
Means tan phi equal to 0 ना sir?
Okay.
Means, tangent should be parallel to x-axis ना sir?
हाँ, tan phi equal to 0. That means phi equal to
0.
0. This is the case. Phi equal to 0. Phi equal to 0 means a tangent makes an angle 0 with what? With what? With theta equal to pi by 2.
Okay.
Okay? Clear?
Sir, means in general, phi itself is not the angle with the x-axis, but with the curve. The tangent angle with the curve.
We have to find the angle of tangent with the line theta equal to here theta equal to 0, then theta equal to pi by 2, and then theta equal to pi. Here theta phi equal to minus pi by 2, that means the tangent makes an angle minus pi by 2 with theta equal to 0. For theta equal to pi by 2, phi equal to 0, that means tangent makes an angle 0 with theta equal to pi by 2. And at theta equal to pi, phi value is pi by 2. That means tangent makes an angle pi by 2 with theta equal to phi.
So please explain that r equal to minus a step once again.
That r equal to minus a, right? R equal to minus a. What? Theta equal to pi. Here theta equal to 0. Then theta equal to pi by 2. Or pi by 2. This is pi by 2. This is pi by 2. And theta equal to pi here also. Pi. Wait. Now from here, this is theta equal to pi minus r. That is r equal to a. R equal to a. This is r equal to a. And at the point theta equal to pi, if r equal to again a, then this point will be here. But at the point pi by 2 r equal to minus a, that means r equal to minus a, this distance, r equal to minus a.
Sir, in this why we haven't calculated from the actual origin?
Right? Say hello, another again.
So here r equal to minus a, why we haven't calculated from the actual origin?
Actually, in polar curve, we find the distance r equal to a. That means all the cases, the respective line will be r equal to 0 first case. Then the respective line will be r equal to pi by 2. Then in third case, the respective line will be with respect to r equal to pi in polar curve. First
Okay, sir. Okay.
case, first is case for r equal to 0 with respect to r equal to theta equal to 0. Second case with respect to theta equal to pi by 2. In third case with respect to theta equal to pi, right?
What is pole, sir?
Now second example, r equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. First we check the symmetry. Symmetry, if theta tends to, wait 1 minute, wait 1 minute. ठीक है, आधा घंटा बात फोन करो ना मेरे क्लास से। Now, if we change theta to by minus theta, then r remain unchanged. That means r unchanged. Unchanged. That means the curve is symmetric about theta equal to 0. You should check the all other case, but we find the only case this will be symmetric about theta equal to 0. Second is poles. Put r equal to 0, then a 1 minus cos theta 0. That means cos theta equal to 1. So theta equal to 0 degree. So we can find at least one theta such that r may be equal to 0. So the curve passes through pole. Now tangent at pole. So tan phi will be r.
Pole, sir.
Tan phi r dr by d theta. So a 1 minus cos theta, a minus cos theta minus and plus sin theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2, that is 2 cancel, tan theta by 2. So phi will be equal to at theta equal to 0, at pole theta equal to 0. So tan phi, tan 0 degree, that is 0. So phi is equal to 0. Now next a table. Table theta and r. Just to make table of theta and r. Theta equal to when 0 degree, then 30, then 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, just 30 difference, 240, 270, 300, 330, and 360. For r, theta equal to 0. At 0 degree, r will be equal to 0. At 30, the value will be 1.313a. At 60, 0.5a. At 90, a. At 120, 1.5a. At 150, 1.86a. At 280 degree, 2a. At 210, it will be 1.89a. Then 240 degree, 1.5a. Then 270, this will be a. 300.5a. 330, 0.13a. And 360, 0. Now construct. This is theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 30 degree. Theta equal to 60 degree. Theta equal to 90 degree. Theta equal to 120. Theta equal to 150. Theta equal to pi, that is 180. Theta equal to 210, 240, 270, 300, 3310, 330, and this is 360, and theta equal to 0. Now put the value. And r equal theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. This line. Theta equal to 0. R will be equal to 0. That means r will be here. R will be here. Okay. Now at theta equal to 30 degree, if take r equal to a, this means theta equal to 30 degree, the point will be here, 1.3a. This is 0.13 like that. At r equal to theta equal to 60 degree, 0.5a. 0.5 means this will be here. 90 means r. R is distance like that. So distance, this means r, here r. R equal to a. R equal to a. R equal to 0.5. This is 0.313a. Then 120, 1.5a. 1.5a will be here. 1.5a. 180, 150, 1.86, 1.86 like here, 1.86 at 182A. 2A will be here, 2A. 210, then it decreases, value decreases 1.89. 1.89 means this here, 1.89. 1.89. 89, no, it will be 1.86. 1.86. Then 240, 1.5. 1.5 will be here. 1.5. Then 270 again A. Are equal to A. 300.5. 0.5 here. And then 0.13 and R equal to 360, then 0. Now the tangent at theta equal to 0, phi is 0. That means this is the line of tangent. So curves, this is the tangent at theta equal to 0. So curve will be like that. Curve will be goes here. Then touches all the point and goes through here. Now this is symmetric about theta equal to 0. So same curve lies under the line theta equal to 0. So same. This is symmetric. So this is our curve R equal to A1 minus cos theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्लास यूनिट 2 चालू होगा. ठीक है.
सर को जो एमसीक्यू का एग्जाम होगा उसमें यूनिट 2 भी आएगा क्या?
एमसीक्यू टाइप एग्जाम होगा. हाँ उसमें
यूनिट 2 आएगा मैथमेटिक्स में.
यूनिट 2 नहीं आएगा, यूनिट 1 ही आएगा.
Sir,
हाँ बोला.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
What
will
is-
you take your classes during exam times from
No,
13 to 23?
No. During exam, there will be no class actually.
Sir, not only on exam day or sir between 13 to 23?
Only exam day. There will be no.
There will be no classes. Okay, sir.
sir,
बोलो.
what is pole, sir?
बोलो.
What is pole? Pole.
Pool.
Origin.
No, then origin. Actually, in origin and Cartesian coordinate. Actually, this is the curve is a line of the what can I say? Curve. Curve is a point goes through. The point is r theta. The line with the point goes through. This is the curve. At the pole r will be equal to 0. At the pole r will be equal to 0. That is the origin. This starts from here. Pole. If you can check the original definition of pole. Okay, from anywhere.
At which theta r equal to 0, that is called as pole, sir.
Right. At r equal to 0, that is pole.
Sir, how do you find
But-
symmetry of pole, sir?
But there must exist a theta also. there must exist a theta also, corresponding theta also.
If theta does not exist, means there is no pole for that
There
curve.
is no pole. If theta does not exist, means there is no
Pole,
pole.
Means
pole is
if
always in parametric form, right?
there will be no theta, no sir. Then there is no pole. If r equal to a into 2 minus cos theta.
If r
Sir,
equal
if
to
r is equals to 0, then it will always coincide the sir origin. No?
right,
So then we can say that origin is the pole.
origin is the pole.
Yes, sir.
But theta
Sir,
should
pole,
exist.
sir, pole is always dependent on the parametric some function.
If there exists a theta, then we can say that the curve lies on the goes through pole, or pole lies on the curve.
Sir, for example, if you take r equal to a into 2 minus cos theta,
R
then
equal to
then for r equal to 0, there will be no theta, no sir.
no theta.
Then
That means the curve
for that curve.
does not goes through pole. The curve does not goes through pole. We can't find the value of theta. That's why the curve does not goes through pole.
Okay, sir. Sir, and how do you find symmetry about pole? You told
Symmetry about if suppose r square equal to a cos theta. Okay, if we change r to minus r, then equation will be same.
yes, sir.
Suppose r square this is the example. R square equal to a cos theta, then or r square equal to a square, suppose. Then if change change r to minus r, then it will be no change in equation. So it will be symmetric about origin.
Symmetry
pole.
about pole means
Pole.
there. What is pole, sir? Symmetry about r equal to 0.
Symmetric about pole. Suppose this is the pole, and the symmetric about like that. Okay.
Means symmetry about origin is called a symmetry about pole at that point.
Symmetric about, this is the symmetric about pole. This is the pole. R equal to 0 here. This is the pole. This will be symmetric about a circle. If it's symmetric about pole,
Yes, sir. Means I am telling for all curves r equal to 0 is the pole.
R equal to 0 is the pole.
Means origin is the pole.
Origin is the pole.
Okay, sir.
In every case, sir. Sir, in every case, origin is the pole.
And R equal to 0 is the pole.
No, as I मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इन एवरी सिचुएशन ऑरिजिन को हम पोल कंसिडर करेंगे या नहीं, या वो डिपेंड करेगा इक्वेशन पर. इट वैरीज ऑन इक्वेशन.
Now, in every case, we check the curve goes through pole or not. In every case, first to trace the curve, we check r goes through pole or not. If goes through pole, then find the tangent there. If does not goes through pole, then find the tangent in other point. Other point means the curve cuts are equal to 0 where the curve cuts are equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi by 2. Find the tangent there. In other case.
Okay.
Sir, and you explained two conditions for the curve to be symmetric around theta is equal pi by 2. One was that if theta tends to minus theta and r tends to minus r, the equation remains same, then it is symmetric. And another situation was that if theta tends to pi minus theta and the equation remains same, then it is symmetric. Is it possible that both the conditions contradict?
Both the conditions, right? 1 minute. Which conditions? One condition, theta
Sir, condition number 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Yes, sir. For symmetric around pi by 2.
Symmetric about pi by 2. No, contradict. No. No contradict. Okay,
Means
then check, is there any example that contradict each other? I think no.
okay, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
for the curve r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, if r equal to 0, then theta equal to pi, no, sir. Means it passes through the pole at theta equal to pi.
Theta equal to pi by 2.
For r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta.
R equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. So
If r equal to 0, then theta equal to pi, no, sir.
theta equal to
Pi.
pi, right?
It passes through the pole at theta equal to pi.
Passes through the pole at theta equal to pi.
Means we should find tangent at only theta equal to pi, sir.
Theta equal to pi.
If theta for r equal to a cos theta, r equal to 0, then theta equal to pi by 2, no, sir. Means we should for r equal to
R equal to
a cos theta.
a cos theta.
If r equal to 0, then theta equal to pi by 2, no, sir.
Theta equal to cos 0, pi by 2, right?
Means tangent at we should find tangent at pole, no, sir. Means tan phi equal to r by dr by d theta
Right.
is equal to cos theta.
Right.
We should find only at theta equal to pi by 2. Or again we should take 0, pi by 2, pi and all.
No. First, if go pass through pole, then find the tangent at that pole. At that pole, find the tangent first.
Means tan phi equal to minus cot theta minus cot pi by 2.
Right.
So only and only if theta comes to be pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, then we can say the curve passes through the pole.
Passes through the pole.
Any other value of theta that is not a single multiple for pi by 2, then we will say curve does not pass through pi by pole.
Pass through. If pass through pole, then find the phi. It does not pass like right. Wait. In that case, for this example, we find all the tangent at theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi. You can find tangent in other point, but if it pass through pole, first find the tangent there.
Sir, it passes through pole, no, sir, at theta equal to pi by 2. At
Right.
theta pi by 2. Means you should find only tangent at only that point, no, sir. If you don't know.
ठीक है, आज की क्लास खत्म, अटेंडेंस डाल दो. ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir.
So please upload this video.
हाँ.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.